Hello everybody, this is a tutorial about the Career Catalyst product that we have been working on. Let's go ahead and start off with the tutorial first.
So here when user logs into the system, this is the landing page they will be seeing. And here all the users who have already signed up, they can sign in with Google, but people who need new access, they can come here, and here there are certain career plans. Currently, since the product is in beta stage, only the trial plan is available, and this trial plan is there for 7 days. So here user can come and click on request access with Google. Why we have written with Google? It's because the authentication is only available with Google accounts. So people who have a Gmail account will only be able to log into the system. That is the requirement here. So once user clicks on this, the system will take it to the authentication page. Here the user can select which Google account they want to use. Going ahead with game reviews. Once I click on this, the system will take me back to the website where I will again show the different career plans which are available. And since it is in beta stage, other plans are disabled. Only the trial plan is there, and I will click on request access. And here the idea is that while requesting access, we need to send a message to the admin saying that why do we want the request. So here let me say that I am looking for product manager jobs, and then I will submit the message. Once this message is sent, it goes to one of the administrators that we have, and the administrator will accept or reject the request. Once it is approved, I will click on approved, then it comes to this landing page. So next time whenever you log into the system, this is the landing page that the user would be seeing. And here it shows how many days left. Since the free tier is for 7 days, the countdown has already started. Now it is showing 6 days 23 minutes. So let's go ahead and start working on the knowledge base. This is the first stage of the product. So when the user logs into the system first we need to tell the system that who are we, who is the user. So here we need to create a knowledge base for the user. So because based on this knowledge base, the system will know that who is this person and what kind of jobs the person is able to do. So here there are two sections. One is mother documents and base resumes. Mother document is like any document which can talk about what are the projects, what are the things that you have done. You have any certifications or you have done any kind of projects, you can update it here. And resumes are there are different resumes. If you have created different resume, maybe one resume is for product management, other resume is for program management, or the other resume is for SaaS product management. So you can update different types of resume in this system. Currently 3 resumes per user, so that AI will run through the resumes and tell you which of these resumes you should use to apply for a specific job, right? So now let's start off with the mother document. So for this scenario, I have created a imaginary persona, and we will be using updating the knowledge base for that imaginary person. So I'll just go to Gemini, and here I have created an imaginary persona called Belika Sonika. So here let's update the mother story first. This is the mother document. I will go here and initiate. First I will paste the mother document. Sorry, I will paste it here, and I will come back, and this is the mother document I created. It has all the experiences that this lady has done. These are all imaginary things, so we can just update it here. This is mother document 1. Let us add one more mother document here. This is the mother document B. It talks about the skills that this lady has. So this is the name of the mother document, and we will go here and it will show the different details in that mother document. We'll update it here. Now this is done. We'll just save changes first. This is done. Now we'll go to resumes, base resumes. So here I have created 2 to 3 base resumes for this person as well. So this is one resume. This is about the editorial director of this person would be a director. So this is kind of resume. So I will update it here. Next, let me update the other details, right? Experience, core certification, and all. very small resume. I will paste here. And once I paste here, it asks like map resume structure. Why map resume structure? Because the AI needs to know for this resume what are the sections we need to update once the JD comes in. So once I click on this map resume structure, it will scan the resume, and then it will figure out what are the sections there. So it creates two headers, like one is logged, like core certification experience and all that. These are an header. It will have the name and contact details of that person. So these details doesn't need update every time, right? So these are locked. And here a resume summary and the experience as a technical author, these are the two sections where we need to update it based on the JD that we provide. So these are the sections which the AI will look every time the JD is there, and it will try to update it. I will save changes. Let me update one more resume as well. This is the resume 2. This is based on the scientific editor profile that she has. I'll go here and then add new scientific editor. I'll go here and then I'll add one more detail. These are the details we have. I'll paste here. Again, the same thing, map resume structure. It will search for the resume and it will identify what are the things available in the resume, and then it will say header is optimized and expertise and related achievements. If I say that I don't want expertise to be updated, I can just click on protect. It will come to this protected space. So AI will not optimize the expertise. But I feel we should update expertise as well, right? I mean, based on the JD. So it will come here. And for this also, maybe core certification or experience technical content development. I think this one we can optimize based on the JD. So I will put it here. So now these two are logged, and these are the things that the AI will update for this resume. And for this resume, other resume, these are the things. Since this is finalized, now let me save changes. So all these changes are saved. After this, the next point is career synthesis. So this AI, what AI will do is that it will create a summary based on all these documents, mother documents and the base resumes. It will create a summary for you so that it knows who you are and what kind of job you are targeting. So for the first time, you have to do it only one time, bake current strategy, and based on the documents that we have uploaded in the knowledge base, it is synthesizing everything. It will create a summary for you. And here, career synthesis for Velia Sonika. This is the imaginary person which I created. And here, see, you are the high consequence scaler. You combine the meticulous precision required for safety critical documentation with the modern ability to scale editorial operations using Agile and Scrum. And then these are the things that the AI always look out for. Industry pace, how the industry changes. Technical gravity is like what is the proficiency of the person in the technicalities of that profession. Professional DNA, trajectory target, like what kind of jobs this person should target next. So these are the things it is there. Now I will click on save changes. Once I save changes, now the hard part is done. This is what you have to do once, and then now you can go to JD check. So here the user needs to come and paste the job description that the user is looking at. Let me just go to one of the JDs, and since this is a editor kind of persona, this person, let me find a JD for a editor. This is the JD. I will copy and paste the JD here, and once I paste the JD, I need to run the matching engine. What the matching engine will do is that it will run the JD against the knowledge base that we created in the previous steps, and then it will identify is the JD aligned to the knowledge base or not. See, in this stage, it is saying strong apply because the overall score is 87%. Because it says, and it gives you the analysis as well, like you are a high fit caliber match for this role primarily because your high consequence scaler and architect aligns with Airbnb's need for single source of truth documentation. Your background in nuclear and aerospace engineering provides meticulous precision required for safety critical workflows. So basically, it will tell you like why it thinks that you are a strong apply for this position, and if you agree, then you can say that optimize, and if you don't agree, you can say that don't apply. It will not go further. But let's say that I want to apply and optimize. So I will click on this. So now it will go back to the system, and since you have uploaded 2 resumes, right? So it will say out of the 2 resumes, which resume it selected. It selected resume 1, the editorial director, and it will tell you the reason why that resume is selected. Base 1 is the strongest match because it highlights experience in scaling editorial operations. So it tells you. And why resume 2 was not selected, because while this resume demonstrates high level of technical writing skills, it focused to specialize in heavy engineering sector, and that is why it was not selected. So now again here, if I agree, then we can accept. If I don't agree, I can reject its selection as well, and it will go again and try to identify why you rejected. So let's accept it. I will click on this, and once I accept this, it will again go to the system and try to figure out for this specific resume what are the sections that we need to update, because we, in one of the knowledge base sections, we identified what are the sections we need to update, right? So now it run through it, and now it has provided the optimization proposals here. So first is the summary section. So this is the old summary which is there in the resume, and now this is providing the AI optimized section. I can accept or reject it. If I accept, then it will go back. This is the other section. Let me accept this also. This is it is giving these details that we can update in this section, and you see whatever the content is in the original source, it is giving similar length of content. So it will not, if the source is like 250 words, it will not give 300 or 400 words in the AI optimized section. It will give around 250 words only, because it is supposed to mimic the amount of content which is there in the original base resume. And what I can do is that I can copy this and I can paste this into my existing resume and then do it. And once I click on accept, then all sections are reviewed. Then I need to tell it that I have applied or not. And here I can say that yes, I have applied or won't apply. Whatever is the solution, if I say that no, all in this is fine, but I don't want to apply, I will say I won't apply. Then it will go to the application history page, and it will just record that this is the company name, position, they applied, what was the matching score, and recommendation was this, but final your decision was that you didn't apply. And it will be kind of a history for all the kind of jobs that you apply using this. From here you will know that how many companies you have applied and how many companies you have not applied. And once here, you can again start with a new analysis, and it will come back to the checked JD section. So here you can again paste a new JD, and you can go through the same process again for a different JD now.